Welcome to Nifty Trades at channel. So we'll discuss what happened on Friday for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Reliance, and what can we expect from the market tomorrow, Monday. So let's see the chart of Nifty so that we get into the discussion directly into what happened for Nifty and what they had planned for it. So we said that clearly if 21833, if market starts moving up, so we can expect a bullish movement. And yeah, definitely 100 points target was expected, but not this high. But 100 points definitely was expected and give market gave a target. My entry happened after the break this trend line. It broke here and I got 100 points movement here. So usually I don't do a trading for the first candle, so I waited for the first few candles. Then the second reversal when it happened, I took the trade and then got 100 points. This is what I could got it, and it was a good trade for me on Friday, and it was as per the plan. So next, coming to what can expect from the market is that market has, if you look at month, let's say look at it a month and then see how it is, right? Market is looking to take sideways actually. So if it has to be really bullish to continue the bullish momentum, it has to cross this high to 2 to 100 is what to be close. If once market closing above only, we can see a long term moving up or continuing the bullish movement. Otherwise, is market trying to be sideways, and let's see in a week, right? What market could do is market try to do kind of double top and then started moving up, similar to day also. But bullish is still continuing. I'm not saying it, I'm not saying that it is not bullish. Directly it has come to bearish, but trying to be sideways for some time. So thing is, like, if you see, it has given a double top, and we need to see whether it is, if it's going to continue to go down and then break this to make it really downtrend. We need to wait and see. But right now, market in a kind of a bullish momentum only. So we'll look at all the scenarios in a 5 minute chart so that we'll be able to understand what happened, right? So so what is it like if it market gap up opens and then closes above 22 or any bullish movement anywhere it opens and closes above this high this the whatever the double top form, definitely we can go for buy. There is no doubt we can have a very good moment continuing for the bullish moment. But given that now this market was too fluctuating on too fluctuating on Friday, we need to see what is we could plan. Right, market can, if it opens flat, then it becomes it. We can expect market going kind of in a sideways momentum, and we have to see how it is going to do it. Right. So the bearish I could see is only below this point, and this whatever the low it has formed, right, to like if you see this 21,810, if market only breaking this one, we can go for short, where the target where can be 21,657, we can expect the target reaching, right? So the bullish, real bullish moment is above this all time high that you have seen, and the and whatever the low it has formed on Friday, if it only breaking it, we could see the market going down for 21,660 is the target for that one. Whatever the happening in between the, like above this previous low, if market starts moving, you have to see the first swing, and whichever the side it breaks the swing, right? We need to go for that one. So if it is flat opening, there is no direct trade immediately. We have to wait for the first swing for at least for 1 hour, whichever side it breaks, so we can take a long or short based on that. And that to short can we can expect if it is market is here, and if you get a first swing downside break, we can go for a short for 100 points. That is only after the price action movement that we see it on Monday. So clear trades breaking today's low, we can expect target this till 21,660. Breaking high, we can expect another 100 point. If it is anywhere else, we have to see the 1 hour price action, which side the swing is forming, and breaking whichever is side broken, we can go for long or short. Very keep it very simple. Three scenarios for Nifty. Bank Nifty looks to be like a, we can say like kind of bullish bearish. So it's little, we need to really wait for the price action. So market is trying to go down only, and it could not break this high that is formed. So it's trying to push it down only. Let's see like what can you expect in 1 hour, right? So market now currently sitting in a trend line. So we have to see the first half fraction. If directly market comes down, so we can expect market coming to touching 45 665 and a bounce. And when it touches and gets a rejection from the trend line, go for short. So we can expect some 275 250 points moving down. That is one trade I could see it. Or if market flat opens or gap up opens and then starts moving like it, and then trying to break this trend line, go for short. We can expect 250 points again. The bullish I could see is only above this, only after seeing a price action, as I said in thing. If it forms W here, we can go for market moving up one. Otherwise, I'm seeing only the short side for Monday trade. The only bullish is if it can break this point 46,570, then the bullish momentum will continue. So that is what I am expecting it. Otherwise, these are the two scenarios I'm saying for the short side. For Bank Nifty, let's look at Reliance. So Reliance is still very much been bullish, but it has given the target that was expected for this whatever the sideways we had it for a few years, right? So this the target is given immediately. So market is given the target and waiting there to see it. So I would say that like if there is a gap up here to this previous day high, we can expect definitely on rejection. We can see market coming down, go for short, and then it might continue to give the target below also. It will become double top on breaking this one. We definitely expect market going down of this some 50 points down. So this is what the first trade if it is a gap up, and if by chance gap up and breaks continue, and it will continue, the momentum will continue. This is what the gap up scenario. But if there is market, if it breaks this 2877 by flat opening a gap down, we can expect market touching this 2847. This is the second target I'm seeing it. If it could not break this support that has formed, market is kind of working here only. Only then the bullish will continue if it breaks this 2919. If it breaks this, then we can expect 20 points move on top. So this little lot of scenarios are possible in Reliance because market is in kind of a target given. Should I continue with the bullish momentum, or should I do the retracements, or kind of that kind of confusion we are seeing it. So these are the price actions we can see that what we can expect. So probably if you want to do the Reliance trade also, probably you can go and look at this whatever the discussion we are doing it at least 2 3 times, so that you'll get to know what kind of trade we are talking about, right? The bullish, after that breaking it, it will continue after breaking the previous high. If market breaks flat or gap down to 877, we can expect market going down. If gap up not able to break this one, rejection seen, probably we can see a market coming down drastically coming here, and then even breaking this neckline, we can expect market going down further. So these are the few scenarios. If it opens here in this region, so we need to wait for the first price action or first swing, and then breaking the first swing, we can go for the entry on either side of it. So keep it very simple like that. So this is what I have it for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and then Reliance for like corresponding points that we daily talk about targets. So it has been working well, and if you're following this one, you can definitely make a good learning about this channel, right? So this is what I have it for today. Thanks for watching this video.